Hi. Now at first glance this question may look very difficult, but if you understand the question properly, it's not so difficult actually. You don't have to do any calculation here. There is a circle of radius 1. So let's draw a circle. So this is the circle. Okay. Now it's given that each member of a sequence of regular polygons S1n, n can be either 4, 5, 6. So it can be a quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon or whatever, where n is the number of sides of the polygon, is circumscribing the circle. So S1n is circumscribing the circle. So circumscribing the circle means, so basically the polygon can be, if it's a quadrilateral, it would be something like this. Okay. If it's a pentagon, it's going to be something like this, right? If it's a hexagon, it would be something like this, hexagon. Fine. So S1n is the basically a figure which is greater than the circle or bigger than the circle, right? Similarly, S2n are polygons which are inscribed in the polygon. So S2n can be a square like this. This could be S2 4, or a pentagon like this, or an hexagon like this, right? So S2n are going to be inside the circle and S1n are going to be outside the circle. Fine. Now we need to calculate the value of this expression L113 plus 2 pi upon L217. Now what is L1 and L2? L1 and L2 are the perimeters of S1 and S2n respectively. Okay, fine. So this ratio satisfies which of these four options? Let's see. This here should be less than 2. It should be less than 2 here. Sorry, this is not 2. This is less than pi by 4. Okay, it wasn't printed. It's pi by 4. Now let's come back to this ratio. Now L113 is perimeter of a 13-sided polygon which circumscribes the circle. Now whatever, how many ever sides are there in this polygon, we know the perimeter of this polygon will definitely be greater than the perimeter of the circle, right? If you have a circle and there is a figure which is greater than the circle, or the circle is inscribed in the figure, the perimeter of this figure will definitely be greater than perimeter of the circle. Then only circle can be inscribed in the figure. This should definitely be greater than 2 pi, not even equal to, it should be greater than 2 pi. Similarly, S2 is inscribed inside the circle. So perimeter of a figure inside the circle should definitely be less than the perimeter of the circle, which is 2 pi. Since the radius is 1, circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, which is 2 pi 1, 2 pi. So this ratio effectively comes down to the numerator. This is more than 2 pi and this is 2 pi. So the numerator is definitely more than 4 pi and the denominator is definitely less than 2 pi. So you have a number which is greater than 4 pi and a number less than 2 pi. This ratio definitely must be greater than 2 for sure, right? If it were equal to 4, if the numerator were equal to 4 pi and the denominator was equal to 2 pi, the ratio would have been equal to 2. But this is more than 4 pi and this is less than 2 pi. So the ratio will definitely be greater than 2. So the answer to this question must be option C, greater than 2. No need to do any calculation as to what is the actual perimeter of L113, S113 and S217. No need to calculate perimeters. Just by observation you can answer this question. Thank you.